Hi Soumya, wishing you a very, very happy birthday and an amazing life. I see so much of me in you sometimes, with that look in your eyes, and you always very close to my heart, my little baby. And I'm so happy for you that you finally hitched and you're going to enjoy the best of life. And I'm sure that you'll have the blissful life of togetherness with your beautiful new partner, and just grow in life, in every area that you wish to. Lots of love. Thank you for everything that you do for us, and have the best and have a blast. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Soumya, and a very, very big hug from my side. I still remember the first time I met you in Pune and you took my heart. Lots and lots of love to you and a biggest hug to you. You will always be my little Buddha, so serene, so calm, and love you so much.
Hi Soumya, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Blessing you with a life rolling into celebration. And I really pray that you become that brightest shining star wherever you are. God bless you.
A very happy birthday, Soumya, as you celebrate your trip around the sun. I cannot help but think of the light you shine in our life, in everybody's life. Thank you for what all you do. A very happy birthday from us, and a year filled with love, adventure and prosperity. A very happy birthday.
Hi birthday girl, hi my Pookie Pie, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. The year 2025 has turned out to be really miraculous for you because you have your dream partner with you, and we are all so happy for you. So wishing you loads and loads of happiness, success, great health, accelerating career, and loads and loads and loads of abundance of everything that you desire for in your life. We love you, we are proud of you, and once again a very, very, very happy birthday.
Hi Soumya, the manifestation queen, wish you the best day ahead. इतने प्यार से तुम सारी चीजें मैनिफेस्ट कर लेती हो, इतनी अच्छी तुम दिन ब दिन होती जा रही हो, इतने तुम्हारे सुंदर बाल हो गए हैं, और अब तो तुम्हारी लाइफ में इतना प्यारा सा राजकुमार भी आ गया है. सो आई विश यू द बेस्ट लाइफ, और तुम ऐसे ही हमेशा हंसती रहो, मुस्कुराती रहो, खिलखिलाती रहो, और तुम्हारा ब्रेन टू बॉडी और तुम दोनों ही सक्सेस की नई ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचो. विश यू द बेस्ट लाइफ अहेड. लव यू.
Hi Soumya, a very, very happy birthday to you, pretty girl, and you are so beautiful, look just like a model. God bless you with perfect health, enormous wealth, love, peace and harmony in abundance, and always जो आप चाहो वो आपका definitely पूरा हो, and जो हमारे लिए इतना selflessly आप सब कुछ करते हो उसके लिए आपको ढेर सारी ब्लेसिंग्स. हमेशा सुखी रहो. थैंक यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
हैप्पीएस्ट बर्थडे टू यू सौम्या. तुझे मैं बहन कहूँ, फ्रेंड कहूँ, मेंटोर कहूँ या पार्टनर कहूँ, हर किसी रूप में यू आर द बेस्ट. आई जस्ट लव यू फ्रॉम माई होल एंड सोल. थैंक यू so much for being in my life. Thank you for being such a big support for me. Always. There are so many things that I learned from you. Thank you for all your wisdom, your love and your respect that you give me. Thank you for the trust, and thank you for everything that you do for me and for everyone. Love you a lot, Soumya. Stay blessed in your whole life, and soon we'll be meeting, you know that. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Yes, birthday Soumya, I really wish you the best of everything in life. May this year be the best one ever for you, because you have finally entered that new life that you were waiting for. And lots of love to you, my dearest, and enjoy your day to the fullest. And happy birthday once again. We all love you so much. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, cute doll Soumya. मुझे खुशी है कि जो ब्लेसिंग मैं तुम्हें दे रही थी वो एक एक करके पूरी हो रही हैं. यू आर बॉर्न टू शाइन एंड एंजॉय योर डे. चक दे फट्टे बेबी.
Hi Soumya, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy to the fullest, and God bless you with lots and lots of success, wealth, health, properties, and the best life ever with your better half. Thank you, and I love you. Waiting for the good news. Happy birthday once again, sweetie. Bye.
Hey Soumya, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you, and may you have an unstoppable success in your life. stay crazy, stay awesome, and keep smiling and laughing. Love you. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Soumya. And this year more than your birthday, दिल से बार बार निकल रहा है, जितनी बार भी वीडियो बना रही हूँ निकल रहा है happy married life. So wishing you a great life full of success, full of magics, miracles, amazing life partner, and may you enjoy your life with your dream man. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Soumya.
Properties and the best life ever with your better half. Thank you, and I love you, love you, love you. Waiting for the good news. Happy birthday once again, sweetie. Bye.
Hey Soumya, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you and may you have an unstoppable success in your life. Stay crazy, stay awesome, and keep smiling and laughing. Love you. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Soumya. And this year more than your birthday, दिल से बार बार निकल रहा है, जितनी बार भी वीडियो बना रही हूँ निकल रहा है happy married life. So wishing you a great life full of success, full of magics, miracles, amazing life partner, and may you enjoy your life with your dream man. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Soumya. God bless you with lots of love, happiness, prosperity, abundance, and robust health. Start dreaming big because you're magical. Your energy is healing and your presence is so much powerful. Thank you so much for coming in my life like an angel and changed my life. Thank you so much. You always have a special place in my heart. I always love you like anything. Love you so much and have a magical day. Celebrate your birthday to the fullest. Love you.
Happy birthday, Solya. Aka, the CEO of Abhishek's Dil Private Limited. तू सिर्फ अभिषेक की रानी नहीं है, तू तो सोल शेक एम्पायर की महारानी है. पुणेची असली मुलगी विद द हार्ट ऑफ गोल्ड एंड माइंड ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेटिंग निंजा. जब सोनिया कुछ चाहती है तो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन खुद उसका विजन बोर्ड देख के अपग्रेड हो जाता है. लक्ष्य पर फोकस इतना टाइट कि अर्जुन बोले मैडम मुझे भी कुछ सिखा दो. एंड लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट अभिषेक का दिल तो तू पहले ही कैप्चर कर चुकी है. अब जिंदगी की ब्लूप्रिंट भी सोल शेक स्टाइल में लिख रही है तू. डॉक्टर जो की मैनिफेस्टेशन क्वीन प्लस दीप्ति मैम्स डार्लिंग एंड फुल साल फैमिली की स्पार्कल. सो आज एंड ऑलवेज पैम्परिंग ओवरलोड, लव अनलिमिटेड एंड और सेलिब्रेशन नॉन स्टॉप होना चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट नॉट योर बर्थडे, इट्स द सोल शेक फेस्टिवल.
छोटी सी है सौम्या, बहुत ही सुंदर है सौम्या. सौम्या है बहुत ही सियानी. सौम्या है हम सब के दिलों की रानी. ख्वाहिशों की खाती रहे खीर, जीवन में सौम्या के उड़ता रहे हमेशा ही प्यार भरा अबीर. हैप्पी बर्थडे सौम्या.
Happy birthday.